Hi everyone and welcome back to 5 Minute Family Search. So now let's show you how to find an indexing project. If you look up here on the top of your left-hand screen, we've gone through Overview, Web Indexing, and now I have just clicked on Find a Project. And when I do, it'll bring me to this screen and it says Find an indexing project with over 100 projects in over 20 countries. You're sure to find a project that interests you. So when you come here, it's automatically going to bring you up to countries and you have an option of countries and projects. So if you come down here, you can see the different regions that are pinned and you can just click on one that interests you. So let's just go ahead and click on North America. When we do, we see that there are 74 projects. We can either work in Canada or the United States. And I've clicked on the United States and I'm just going to say View Projects. And when I do, it's going to bring me to this screen. Now let's go through this. Indexing for North America, you can help move these projects towards publication on Family Search. So when I come to this page, I have options. Right now we're really working on web-based and that's what I'm teaching you. So it automatically drops you into web projects. And you know it's a web project because if you look on the right-hand side of your screen and start scrolling down, do you see it says Web Start Indexing where you could click there? You can come down here and it'll say Web Start Indexing. So here it all says Web, and I'll show you when we switch over to Desktop, it'll say Desktop. So let's go ahead and look and see what's here. We have U.S. Freedmen's Bureau Ration Reports and Related Records from 1865 to 1872, Part A. I can come here and click View Project Details, and we'll do that in just a minute. I can see it's the English language. Right now, it's 29% indexed and 5% reviewed. If I come over here, I can just go ahead and say Start Indexing if I think that this interests me and I just want to go ahead and start. But let's come back over here to View Project Details. So if I click there, it's going to bring me into the information that we kind of just went over of how much is indexed, how much is reviewed. But if we come over here, we can start indexing now, which we saw on the last screen. But this is really important right here. Please read these because it'll answer your questions and help you to understand what you are supposed to be doing and how you are supposed to be doing it. So let's just go ahead and click on View Project Instructions. And it tells you all about this project, what the project is, why it was done, who did it, more information like what you should be indexing out of this document, how you should be doing it, what information is extractable and what is not extractable. If you need help with the handwriting, if you want to know how to add in more entries, this is really specific to your project. And I really beg you to read through these before you start. It will answer questions. And like I said, it'll just help you not to get frustrated. But come through here and read that. And then when you feel confident and that's something you want to do, you can just go ahead and say Start Indexing Now. And it'll take you to the actual document, and we're not going to do it right now together. We're going to go through a guided one that doesn't save your answers so you can see how to do it. But this is what will come up and it'll sit there and like I said, it'll walk you through it. Now this may look a little scary. Once you read through those project instructions and it'll explain it all to you, it'll walk you through step by step so it won't be scary anymore. Some of them are a little more difficult than others, so if you are beginning out, start out on the beginner level, start out in the United States and just do something that's really easy. It'll build up your confidence and these ones that look really difficult will become really easy to you. But let's go ahead in this top left hand corner. We're going to say return to web indexing and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to stop the video here and we'll come back in and then I will show you how to go over and do desktop indexing.